Are you tired of the extra weight and want to start working out? Do you know how to start a workout plan? Do you know what you need and the cost of creating a workout plan? Well, stay tuned. This video will tell you more about how to start working out. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. A workout is a period of intense physical activity or training. It can also be an activity or practice to assess or improve one's ability or performance. However, it refers to a planned workout in a gym or with a personal trainer. Some people exercise with a friend, while others exercise alone. Workout lowers blood pressure by fighting plaque in the arteries, among other things. As a result, blood flows more freely through the streets as they widen, and your blood pressure begins to decline. Also, your blood pressure drops because your heart, like a muscle, gets a workout when you exercise. Working out is also an excellent approach to increase your self-esteem and confidence. Also, you'll get the physical benefits of dopamine if you often exercise, since you'll feel a sense of accomplishment after you finish your workout. Working out can help you improve your mental health when problems like depression, ADHD, or stress weigh heavily on your mind and prevent you from getting through your day or attending to your duties. And even if you're in good physical form, staying fit lowers your risk of getting ailments later in life, such as type 2 diabetes or heart disease. The types of gyms offered are as varied as the training methods, ranging from the typical walk-in corner gym to the boutique studio specializing in Pilates. It also comes with various levels of membership fees. For example, the average monthly gym membership fee at popular fitness establishments in the United States are 24-hour fitness for $47, Anytime Fitness for $39, Gold's Gym for $40, LA Fitness for $30, Lifetime Fitness for $100, Planet Fitness for $10, and Snap Fitness for $50. Perhaps you've been training your entire life and are looking for a new challenge. Alternatively, maybe you're new to exercising and don't know where to begin. Starting an exercise plan is something we often have to handle. Here are some steps on how to start working out. Decide what you want to be good at doing. Choosing a feeling of purpose can be complex, valid for both exercise and training. It will be easier for you to train for success if you are more explicit about becoming good at it. Decide if you're undecided about how to begin exercising. It isn't even necessary to select the best choice. Pick something you want to excel at and start working toward it. Later, there will be plenty of time for tweaking and optimizing. Secondly, ask questions. If you have any queries, don't be scared to ask them. Your most significant advantage is the people you surround yourself with. Thirdly, if you're seeking the one perfect counsel, the fitness industry will prove that to be a challenge. Everyone has their set ways of doing things, and they are all certain that their method is the best way. So, you may get worked up about the finer points of a new training regimen. Is it better to do 5 or 6 sets? Should you rest for 90 seconds according to Program A, but just for 60 seconds according to Program B? Well, take a deep breath and know that the specifics don't matter in the beginning. And there will be plenty of time to work on technique, rest intervals, volume, training regimens, and so on. The only thing that matters when beginning a new workout plan is getting started. Get the big picture and stay on track, and the specifics will begin to fall into place. Then another vital step is going slow. When we decide to begin a new workout regimen, we usually do so because we are motivated. Motivation is excellent, but it can also be tricky. So, rather than being motivated, focus on developing excellent habits. Also, motivation might deceive you into taking on more than you can handle. It will help if you take it slowly at first. Remember that the purpose is to develop working out habits, not perform strenuous exercises. Make sure you don't miss workout. Pick an exercise and get started. You may choose from snatch, squat, deadlift, bench press, push-ups, pull-ups, sprints, clean and jerk, snatch, squat, deadlift, bench press, push-ups, pull-ups, sprints. Choose one that you want to excel at and get started. Set yourself up for a more effective workout by including practical items in your gym bag, including workout clothes of good quality, good shoes, a shaker bottle, a workout log, a towel, music, and a timer or monitor. Whether you're just getting started or have been in the trenches for a long time, having a backpack loaded with essentials will help you succeed. There is a slew of creative ways to make money while exercising. Smartphone apps can help you inspire yourself with monetary prizes if you need a little extra financial motivation to get to the gym. However, if you want to make more money while exercising, you might consider changing careers. There are several full-time and part-time occupations that pay you to exercise. You bet $1 on each fitness goal, with a minimum bet of $5. You will lose $5 if you do not accomplish your target, but you get a tiny amount of money if you reach your goal, with an average of 50 cents per successful workout. Getting into a new exercise program might be difficult. On the other hand, realistic goals can help you stick to a fitness routine in the long run. There are many different types of physical activities to select from. Do pick a few that work for you and rotate them regularly. To avoid injuries, start slowly, gradually raise your fitness level, and give your body time to rest. You may also keep track of your progress or sign up for a virtual group class to help you stay motivated and achieve your goals. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.